Hello guys, as always with you AleZheK. Today we will do modification of beautiful Yamaha TDM 850. This is one of my favorite bikes, and first of all I want to remove completely the exhaust system and I will show you the weight. Look at this exhaust system, it's huge and the weight is really crazy. If you just see what is the weight. So what I will do, I will measure my weight and then 93.15. Okay, one more time. 93.20. Yeah, let's see now. Yeah, basically it's around 10 kilograms. So around 10 kilograms is the weight of this exhaust system. So we remove the catalyst and two exhaust mufflers. And if you see, it becomes very slim on the sides, and with this clearance it's more easy to pass in the narrow places. If you see from the back, from the tail, yeah, it becomes very slim. And if you look here, just down below, it's a lot of free space. So now we will use the extender and then we will put nice and small muffler here, the single one, carbon. And then it will be much better. Then we will remove this turn lights, which is huge, enormous. You see, it's unbelievable how big they are. And we will put the LEDs. And if you want to see some other modifications in future, please let me know. I believe this video will be amazing. I will show you now the sound of this bike without any muffler. Guys, job finally done. This is our beautiful bike, Yamaha TDM 850. This is the new look. Everything secure firmly. Spacer adapter in between. Let's say from 38 millimeters to 51 millimeter. Then it's going together. Two exhaust lines. So as you can see, decibel killer is installed. I will start now the engine with decibel killer. Yeah, now decibel killer completely removed. Now you have more or less straight pipe. Let's hear the sound now. It's a different story, yeah? Wow. It's quite impressive. And you can see now the new look of the bike. The spacer pipe together with silencer is like 1.5 kilogram together, and before the old exhaust system, the original one, genuine one, is around 10.5, as I showed you before. So basically we lost 9 kilograms, which will reflect on the fuel consumption, general speed, and also it should give us some horsepower because the bike starts breathing. Yeah, pretty nice how you can do with minimum set of the tools just on the parking slot. Yeah. All right, guys, as usually with you, AleZheK, the best regards, and my new modification project starts. We did exhaust. Next video I will show you how I will change the turn lights from this old and ugly style halogen. We will go to LED. Yeah, bye bye.